All right, so we're starting caravan today in North Andover. Everything today is going to be North Andover and Boxford. We've got 5 houses. Our first house today is 1809 Salem Street. Let's take a look at this. This is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,040 square foot home. It's got a 2-car attached garage under. It sits on just over an acre at 1.04 acres, built in 1979. This house is 100% move-in ready. So not only is the outside landscaping gorgeous, which you can see, but inside they've either refinished or updated everything that needs to be done, except for the furnace. The one thing you might be replacing in the near future would be the furnace, and the roof is probably on the second leg of its life, but it is fine. Just a stunning house inside. Like, you walk inside, the rooms aren't huge, don't get me wrong, it's a 2,000 square foot house, but it is a really nice house. I think just pulling up onto this house alone, when you get right here, you're gonna fall in love with it before you even walk inside. Gorgeous hardwood floors inside. Looks like they were refinished and stained kind of like a dark walnut. Nice kitchen. Definitely something you want to come take a look at. And I think it's gonna go significantly higher than the $799 they got it listed for. We're at house number 2 in North Andover. Now, this house was on Caravan about a month ago. They did a price drop. You might recognize the property. This is 284 Summer Street. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 3,452 square foot home, 2-car attached garage under. Sits on a full acre. Most of the property is here in the front yard. The backyard is a bit of a slope. You could cut into it. You could put in a pool. You could spend some money back there if you wanted to. Built in 1985. I will tell you, it is still very dated. It does need a lot of work throughout the house, and listed at $949,900. It's not a bad price. I do think it's going to go for a little bit less than this. It is a solid house. It's in good condition. You could move into it and then just slowly start knocking off some projects. The only thing you'd probably want to do initially would be the master bath. Once you update that, I think you could enjoy this house for a couple of years and then just slowly knock off the projects. It's definitely worth looking at. It's something you might want to consider. So as you can see, really big level front yard, private, very private. Summer Street's a nice street. Does get a little bit of traffic, but not too bad. I do like this house, definitely worth taking a look at. So we're at our third house on Caravan today, still in North Andover. This is 65 Leanne Drive. Beautiful neighborhood, beautiful house. Let's take a look and see what we got here. This is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 3,000 square foot home, 2-car garage, sitting on 0.58 acres. Listed for $1.2 million. Definitely a bargain at this price. I think this one's gonna go quickly. Absolutely stunning inside. The house needs nothing. It's a luxury home, beautifully landscaped in a beautiful neighborhood. We're at our last North Andover house today. I'm gonna have to keep panning because this is a little bit tough to catch the whole house. This is 55 Marble Ridge, North Andover. It is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 4,700 square feet, almost 4,800 square feet, 2-car garage on 0.92 acres, listed for $1.5 million. This house is really nice inside. It's been renovated significantly since they purchased it. They've updated the kitchen, the bathrooms. Looks like they redid the roof. Beautifully landscaped, very nice street, great curb appeal. Backyard is just absolutely stunning. I'm gonna bring you around there in a minute. Interesting floor plan. Kind of have to have an interesting floor plan with a ranch like this with a second floor. I don't know if we'd call this a ranch, a cape, a contemporary. This one sort of, ticks all those boxes. Beautiful home, really well priced at 1.5, honestly. I think this is gonna move pretty quickly, but let's take a look around back. Like I said, you've got a really nice backyard here. You've got the fire pit. You've got the flowering dogwoods. I think that's a dogwood. You've got the little picnic areas. You've got the gazebo for tea and coffee in the morning, or if you're into Mai Tais, maybe that's your go-to. And then down below, which I really like this, it's not on the same level. You got fire pit up high, and then we have pool down below. All right, let's go down and take a look at that pool. I mean, when I say move-in ready, I mean move-in ready. You don't have to do anything here. So you got a gorgeous pool with a fantastic view, very private. Small little pool house. Like I said, at $1.5 million, this house is worth every penny and has to be seen. I'm not going to show you the inside. If you want to see the inside, you're going to have to come take a look at it. So the last house today in Boxford is a bit of a treat, and I'm going to do a little more than usual. I've asked the agent, she's going to let me run through with the camera, but I'm going to start here on the outside, just give you a quick breakdown. All right, so this is 427A Ipswich Road in Boxford. This is just a stunning home. It's a 4-bed, 3 full bath, 2 half baths, 6,500 square foot home, 3-car garage sitting on 6 acres. Let's just start running right through it and take a look at the inside.
I didn't think.
Wave, everyone.
It's unbelievable.
Thank you.
I missed this section. I still.
Oh, you missed that?
I still go when
I know. I really want to see what we got.
Thank you. Yacht rock. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the urinal's down here.
Good.
Yeah, this basement just keeps going and going and going.
Holy cow, this low level. Okay. Don't miss this. Don't miss that bathroom.
Yep, that is the Rolling Stones urinal. Oh, sorry.
It's too big for the average person. Yeah. So you need, like a high-level executive. I'm not really sure. Maybe one more outside. Yeah. I don't know. He has it was orange, like that's. But yeah. Yeah. Well, I need a full. I want this closet.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
See, you could make sailing look, I mean, summer look like this.
Sure we could. The backyard is also spectacular. Of course, you got the basketball / tennis court off in the back. We got a fire pit, dining area, lounging area. Just a beautifully manicured backyard. Absolute stunning house. I mean, this is probably big enough to play football in if you wanted to. Could definitely fit a swimming pool in. As far as backyards go, this one wins.